Before we get started, we'd like to give a big thanks to Canon for sponsoring today's video. For more information on Videomaker's ethical stance on sponsorship, click the link in the description. Sasha here from Videomaker. We're here today to teach you 5 steps to making a great travel vlog using the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Step number 1, narrate the story. At the core of your vlog is you, the vlogger. You'll be the vehicle for your story, getting it from the beginning to the end. This means you'll have to shoot yourself, selfie style, for the narration of the story. For the best angle, you'll need a small tripod and a camera with a monitor where you can see yourself while you shoot. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II screen fully articulates so you can see yourself as you film. And because it's touchscreen, you don't need to access the back of your camera to change settings. Plus, it has dual pixel autofocus, so you'll easily stay the focus of the shot. Step number 2, set up the location. Give the viewer context to the location you're at, also known as an establishing shot. Time-lapse is a great way to achieve the feel of a location while also capturing what it looks like. More than just an image, time-lapse allows for a short video to capture more than just a moment. The EOS 6D Mark II has an internal intervalometer. Not only can you shoot a time-lapse in camera without the need of an intervalometer, it will also make it into a video for you, ready to be placed on the timeline. Step number 3, show multiple perspectives. With the change of a lens, what the viewer will see will drastically change their ability to understand your environment. I'm standing here shooting at 24mm on a 24-105 L series lens. But if I change to the 16-35mm L series lens, with the full frame sensor of the EOS 6D Mark II, much more comes into frame. Step number 4, keep the visuals interesting. Some subject matter will benefit from being slowed down. To achieve 2.5 times slow-mo, shoot at 60 frames per second and slow it down to 24 frames per second. The EOS 6D Mark II shoots up to 60 frames per second in full HD. Let's see how slow-mo adds drama to a shot. The first shot is being played back in real time. The next is the same shot at 60 frames per second slowed to 24. Slow-mo gives a much more dramatic shot and will enrich your story. Step number 5, stay in contact with your audience. This can be done as you go. Connect with your audience as you work. This will familiarize them with your upcoming work and give them a behind-the-scenes look at the world of a travel vlogger. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II can send your pictures directly to your phone to share to the social media channel of your choice. In this video, using the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, you learned that a story needs a storyteller, and a travel vlogger will need to shoot themselves to tell that story. We learned that we should establish the location we are at so that the viewer understands the surroundings of the vlog. We then talked about changing up the field of view so that the audience will get even more context to the location. Then we talked about how slow motion will give more drama to your story and will enrich your story. Lastly, we talked about staying connected with your audience as you create your story. These 5 steps will ensure your travel vlog is as good as it can be. For information on the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.